Here's what you need: 9 inches zipper and 2 pieces outer layer fabric. The size is 10 by 8. That was 2 pieces, and another linen fabric, 2 pieces, same size. It's 10 by 8. Now at this time, we have to put the outer fabric, on facing out. Same with the lining fabric, as it shows in the video. Now let's bring it to the sewing machine. Just make sure you change the zipper foot. And after that, you have to turn it around facing the right side of the fabric, both linen and the outer linen, and bring it to the sewing machine. So at this time, you have to do another part of 2 pieces of the outer and linen, as it shows in the video, and bring it on to the sewing machine. So I'm still using here the zipper foot, as you can see, right there. And we have to do the same, clear aft and fold it very carefully the right side of the fabric. There we go. So we have a very nice looks of our pouch. There you go. Okay, now at this part, we have to the zipper is facing in to the outer linen. Then separate all the way. And by the way, the zipper should be open halfway. So clean all the exist fabric, so it will be very nice. So I cut them all and make sure it's perfectly cleaned right there. So then I took the ruler or measurement. I make it draw 1 meter 1 meter inch sorry 1 inch both side by side right there. So it is 1 by 1 inch. Then I cut it along. So the one I cut first, and we will sew it that later. And the one I cut is the one I make also what do you call it? The same measurement for the other side of the linen. And I'll do the same to the outer line right there. It is 1 by 1 inches. There you go. Alright, so we have to close it that way. And by the way, leave one there. I cut some excess to make it looks good. And this one, don't sew it, keep it open. And that part is, yeah, let's sew it. And I'll just cut some excess fabric on that, and I'll sew it 3 hole. So we have 1 hole, we keep it open. So we take it out, turn around the fabric. We are almost done here. And there you go. Just cleaning it up, pushing it all with a chopstick and all. And there you go. There. It's almost done. So all you have to do is close the open one, which is the linen. And that's it. We're done here. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you all in my next vlog. Thank you!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!